City. It's Sunday and it's gala day. Charot. Ayun. Hello everyone. So, mag-i-snack tayo. Hindi pa kasi ako kumakain. Ay, gusto natin. So, ayun. Bumili lang ako ng sushi. California latte. California. Oh. They have ginger also. And a little bit of wasabi. And gusto ko ng madaming wasabi sana. Yes po. Inaasma pa rin po ako. And I have some. Oh my gosh. My eyebags. It's not nice. So let's put some calamansi. There. We have ginger. This one I like. The ginger. Well, I hope this is yummy. Are you okay? Nice. Masarap naman. Let's order. Ito man. I think okay na ako dito mamaya. Cheers. Can you get me tissue, anak? Oh yeah, I'm going. Order na kayo ng lipi ko. Ilalagay ko sa comment yung link kung saan ka pwedeng maka-order. Ano? Hindi siya nabubura. Grabe ang dami ko yung buka. Sila nasa playground. Ilalaro sila ng papa niya. So, ayun. Hanggang dito na lang. Ingat lagi everyone. God bless.